This video is about how to increase or decrease media volume and ringer volume, incoming calls volume. Basically, ringer volume means when we get incoming calls or SMS or ringer volume, and YouTube video or songs or video sounds are under media volume. That's the difference between two of them. Okay, let's see. First, open settings and go to sound and haptics. And here you can adjust the ringer volume like this. That usually you guys know that. And the important thing is, when we switch this toggle button, you can adjust the media volume or ringer volume. When this toggle button was turned on means you can use this volume up and down button for controlling the ringer volume, like incoming calls, SMS alert, like that. Like this. And when you turned off this toggle button means you can use this volume up and down button for controlling the media volume.
Parent group. It took Sundar just 4 years to become the chief executive officer of Alphabet.
Like this. And finally, what I suggest means turn on this toggle button. So now the volume button used for controlling the ringer volume. And for media, we have another awesome option. For that, swipe down this and this one. This volume meter is used for controlling the media volume. Yeah, like this. Let's check it out.
Despite his meteoric rise from the populous city of Chennai in India to the height of the tech industry, soon CEOs in Silicon Valley. In this video, we'll be looking at what a day's life looks like. Maybe we'll see why he has a 96% approval rating on Glassdoor.
Yeah, it's a cool option, right? By using this volume meter, we can easily change the media volume without playing any video like this. Yeah, I hope this video helps. Thanks for watching.